Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X Sneak Attack Stadium. Cutter, just got this in today. Cutter, Shinobi, LF, low flat, Rampart, Aegis, GB. This is gonna be interesting. I actually really like Rampart. Yeah, here's the front. Let me show you guys. But yeah. And here's where everything is in. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing part. Okay, there we go. Let's get this. Another box to add to my collection. Yeah, because I actually I've been keeping all the Hasbro boxes. But yeah, the ones I have so far. And another Stadium to my collection, added in. It's actually really nice. There we go. Easy to put together. I'll put this. That's gonna be cool. Okay, I get one now. Okay, let me put this over and get the rest of it. Okay. Really happy to get this. Add more to my collection. Hopefully I get the other ones soon. Parts. Nothing new there with the launchers. Useless for the launchers. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably do a battle. Actually, let me put this to, yeah, let me put these guys together, then, yeah. God damn, that thing is big. QR code. A thick boy and a low flat. Another big boy, big one. Thick. I honestly really like these guys. There's the QR code. And ball. There we go. This is gonna be entertaining to battle these guys. Let's go, shall we? Okay, there's the stadium. Let's see how this goes. Shit, let me grab the launcher. Oh, sheesh. There it is. Let's go. Standard rules apply in this. 3, 2, 1. Extreme finish. It's 3-0 right now. Okay, 3-1. So this is gonna be a really fun turn. I actually really like this one a lot. 2-0. Pop that back into place. Sneak attack. Didn't work that time. 3-3. Next point wins it. Pop that. And pocket out. Here's your winner. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.